In this lecture, we are moving towards our first step of BPMN and Appscript to automate our softwares. For that, we should aware of the basics of BPMN and Appscript. So for that, here are two tutorials on YouTube which you should complete before moving towards the first step. Second step, here search BPMN 2.0 playlist Kavimo, and here you will find this playlist. Click on it and you have to complete these 10 videos. After that, here's another tutorial on YouTube which is provided by Lucid software BPMN 2.0, and here it is. And then you have to complete this for BPMN, and after that in the second lecture we'll do the next step. And for Appscript, you have to complete the Codecademy Introduction to JavaScript course, as Appscript is based on JavaScript. So here you have to sign in first, and as I am already signed in, so then start the course. And you will see something like this, and then move next. And here there is output console, here is the editor, and here are the descriptions. So you have to complete these exercises, and then you can move on the other exercise. In this way you can practice over it. And also for BPMN there is a task, as you have to draw a BPMN diagram in Lucid chart software, as done here. And that's it for the lecture.